Hi, look at all this. I think Adam got the memo, the purple one. We have our beautiful again Nigeria, Curacao. Hello, babies, Belgium. Lebanon. I had a picture of you yesterday. So pretty. Enjoy your breakfast? Good? Look at them. So pretty. Miss Portugal, look at her. Such a beautiful girl. Beautiful makeup. Look at her towering height. Cuba. Morning.
Morning, Sawadika.
Yes, Sawadika. You have a good sleep?
Yes, we actually were able to rest last night. Me and my roommate woke up early. We worked
Who
out.
is your roommate?
Canada.
Canada.
Yes,
Wow.
she's so sweet. I'm so happy. Yes.
So beautiful.
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. Are you having breakfast as well?
I am still having my breakfast.
Anything you recommend?
I know. I like some of the dim sum there.
Okay.
But I'm waiting for papaya. There's no papaya
Oh,
today.
okay.
Hello. So beautiful. Miss Singapura. Walawe. Singapore la. I still know. Yeah, I used to live in Singapore. Yeah. So, and I have my baby here with me. Wearing a bandage dress. My baby. I love you. I was talking to Richard last night. They're coming on the 16th, right?
Yes, we're 16. I'm so excited to see them.
I know.
You guys to see the dresses.
It's so beautiful. Okay, I will not disturb you. Later we will catch up, the two of us.
Okay, come on, have a good night.
This is like a long distance relationship.
I know,
Our
right?
the two of us. Miss Chile, you're so beautiful. I still have your lollipops that you gave me.
Oh, you have it?
Of course. Yeah, I wanna like a remembrance from you. I wanna keep it. No. It's in my room upstairs.
But you have to try it.
But if I try it, then I will no longer have Miss Chile. It will be just the wrapper.
I can give you another one.
Another one. No worries. No, eat it first. Later we'll see each other. Yeah. From last night. Yeah, the team of Rodney and everyone from.
So much for being here in Dallas.
I posted your picture last night with your hat and everything.
And how was it?
Beautiful. Your pants level, of course.
Just so great. Thank you so much for being here this morning. And
I know you must be jet lagged still.
I know, but I feel really energetic.
Energetic.
I'm
It's the adrenaline, right?
That's Dominican vibe.
The Dominican. Ooh, the island girl vibe. The Caribbean vibe. Ooh.
Thank you.
Spicy. Miss Canada is here. Good morning, girl. Yeah, beautiful. Just saw your roommate. I spoke to your roommate. Yeah. I know. She's so
We're
beautiful.
like two peas in a pod.
I know. She's so beautiful too. See you. The beautiful Miss Pinla from Mississology. Looking fresh.
Is this live?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, hello everyone, how are
Like
you?
2,000 people are watching right
Oh
now.
my god. Much love sending.
I know our people in Europe are still sleeping for sure.
Oh yes, thank
We just like have our daylight saving time. Okay, have your breakfast. Who's your roommate?
My roommate is from Bahamas.
Bahamas. Ooh.
She is somewhere.
Here.
Yes,
Yeah.
we'll currently see. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy.
Thank you.
We have a long day ahead.
Yeah, very.
Thank you. Aruba. These are just their breakfast look. Look at Argentina. So beautiful, Miss Argentina. Yes, baby. I know. Pawis now is still in Italy. Yeah, she will be. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Bangladesh. Look at her. Beautiful. Hi, baby. So pretty. Hello, Miss Turkey. I'm always joking about 28, 29 Turkey. Enjoy your breakfast. Looking beautiful in red. Who is your roommate? That's why. The roommate.
We're roommates, yes. Best roommate.
Ooh, bonding together. You had a good sleep?
Yes, definitely.
Wow. Enjoy. Look at this beautiful lady here. Dzień dobry, dziękuję. The beautiful Miss Poland. Look at her.
I'm ready for the day.
Oh, so beautiful indeed.
Thank you so much.
The beautiful Argentina. Say hi to your friends from Mississology. We're live now. Yeah, doing live Mexico. I know. Who are your roommates? Who's your roommate?
My roommate is
Spain.
Ukraine.
Ukraine. Okay. You? I just met her.
Mine is Spain.
Spain. Oh, so you speak Spanish together.
It's like really fun. We have
Like other countries are like Asian and Europe and Latin America, and you, it's still Europe. So
I really like, yeah, we speak all the time and laugh, so it's really good.
look at her dress. This is just her breakfast dress. I know.
He's of Chino Rosco, that is a designer, Mexican designer that is really talented. And he made this really nice.
Yeah, beautiful. And look at the beautiful Miss Bahamas scenes in there. So gorgeous. I would love to see Miss Cuba. They saying here, the fans. Look, the fans. I would love to see Cuba.
I'm right here, guys. Thank you so much for all
Look,
your support.
towering. It's easy to spot her. She's a giant. Yeah. And the beautiful Miss USA. Hello. I hope you guys are enjoying our live. They're still here. Beautiful girls. Also beautiful and fresh. I know. How can I eat if every one of you are here? I'm already like... I know. Okay, for our fans from Lao. Hi, Miss Lao. So beautiful. Look at her. Say hi to your fans from here. We are from Mississology.
My name is Atana Mabilay from Lao.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. Enjoy your breakfast, Miss Lao.
Enjoy your breakfast.
I have the audio saved because when I was in Miami, I was like, I need to remember to do this.
The fans. Côte d'Ivoire. Miss Ghana. Oh, love your dress, Miss Ghana. You have a good sleep, baby?
I did. It was great. I feel so refreshed today. Just in time for the stage.
Yeah. Enjoy your breakfast, baby. So the girls are kicking right now. The beautiful Swedish girl. So pretty. And of course, my love is here.
My love too. You're my love.
I know. Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Enjoy. Is it hard to do diet when you're a beauty queen? What? Yeah. I have dim sum. Oh, she's just having pineapple.
Just having fruits, guys.
Fiber. Chino. Beautiful. Okay. Sorry, people are disturbing you. There's Ash. Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Ellas están bellísimas. One more.
Always so beautiful. And lots of fans. Bom dia. All good. Sadka. Hello, universe. Yes. So beautiful.
So much. Thank you all for the support.
Very beautiful, Miss Portugal. Mrs. Spain. Good. We're still waiting for Philippines. They're not yet here. Thailand, Puerto Rico. We're still waiting for them. The most beautiful Miss USA. You only have 1 week to prepare. We were just watching you when you were just competing, nailing the Q&A. How's everything?
Everything's great. I'm so excited to be here. After crowning, we went to LA for the week. Got
Prepare all of your clothes. So everything, all the wardrobes, all the designers. Do you have Filipino designers?
I'm from Victor Island.
Yes.
Very excited.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast. The nicest and the kindest Ghana. I'm good. I do not know why I'm always with Miss Argentina. Beautiful. They do not know that you're Argentina until I say you're Argentina. Later. There. The ID card. Hola. Buenos días. Angola, say hi. Saint Lucia. Let's see the other girls. Where are they? Hey! You like the outdoors? So beautiful. Ah, yeah, I like here too. Enjoy. Say hi to your fans from Missology. Hi. Hi, Miss Kini, Miss Latvia. Oh my god, like everyone are here. So beautiful. Babies. And Miss Guyana. Good morning. Enjoy your breakfast. Okay? Oops. So stunning. How are you? I'm good too. Lovely to see you again. It's good. Get a good sleep. But a lot of girls now at the breakfast area. I need to ask you, are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a lot of.
España and the beautiful Romania. Look at these girls. Who is your roommate? Mexico? Ooh, the roommates. Enjoy. USA and Poland.
Is it live?
It's still live.
Oh, then
I mean, you know, when I go live, all the people are watching Missosology. I do not know. Look at her. Also beautiful. Yes, I'm Miss Aruba. I do not know how many clothes all of you packed. Like, you need to change at least 3 times a day. Right? Minimum. Oh my God. The luggage. I mean, you are Asia, so at least you're near. How about the others, like Aruba, Bonaire, and a very long trip? And sometimes it's scary if your luggage will be missing or not, or do the correct. Baptized! It worked. It worked. So beautiful. I think we are soulmates now. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I've always seen Miss Argentina. This beautiful table of goddesses. Still live. Missosology. I mean, I know. They've been asking me, I want to eat my breakfast, but I can't because all of you are here.
No, take this.
No, you're so sweet. Yeah, and we will do our Q&A together, right? I know. Okay, let me try.
Yes.
So, if you were a food, what food are you and why?
Oh my goodness. I would have to be something layered. Maybe a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
It's not my favorite food, but I come from a lot of different cultures. I'm half Ghanaian, I'm also Native American, Filipino, and English, and Nigerian, so a little bit of everything.
Ooh.
So the cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger is nice. I love it. Now I'm hungry. And you? My question is, if you will be trapped in an island, what item would you have? Like you can't live without.
Definitely a lip gloss, have to say. And then probably like lip gloss. I would probably have also water bottles.
Water bottle.
Yeah, to drink some water and
A water filter so I can have plain water.
maybe like big knife or something.
Yeah, like a machete.
Yeah.
To help you.
Yeah. That's my top three.
Yeah.
But the lip gloss is the most important.
I know. And if you are an animal, what animal are you and why? Damianger. Okay.
I would like to think that I would be a pink flamingo.
Ooh.
National bird of the Bahamas.
Ooh.
And, I don't know if you saw my departure outfit, but I had like the pink outfit and the feathers kind of representative of that. So something tall, beautiful, graceful, and
Definitely just like you.
just like me.
Yeah. So I've been asking random questions with the girls. So for you will be lights on or lights off? No. No. When you're sleeping. Lights off. I know.
I feel you. I think we were very similar in like the
I know. Like me too. When I was younger, I want with lights, but then when I'm like, I want to sleep. Like, even if it's like daytime, I want it to be covered. I know. Beautiful girls. So, I've been asking the girls some random questions because the fans are asking, you know? So, Miss Argentina, if you are a food, what food are you? Very difficult. Okay, I'll give you time to think. 10.
I don't know, maybe cake.
A cake. Ooh. Comfort food, right? Yeah. Very sweet.
What is my question?
My question is if you're an animal, what animal would you... Tiger. Tiger. Okay. For you, my question is lights on or lights off when you're sleeping?
Oh, I'm that person that falls asleep anywhere, and I mean everywhere.
Where?
I've slept in a person, so
Woohoo!
lights on or off. If I'm sleeping,
That-
I will sleep.
I was watching a play in New York, Aladdin, and I was sleeping. I was snoring. Like when I lie my back, I was like, oh my god. It was just like, and you, my beautiful, my question to you is, who is your spirit animal?
Would be, I think the dog. You know, a dog is so loyal, but also so friendly, and it's really caring too. So
I think you're describing me when I'm in a relationship, but then they keep hurting me, so I become something else now.
You are so funny.
I know.
So funny.
Yes, I'm from Philippines. So beautiful. Enjoy. I have to go to the other table then. Hi, baby. Slovakia. Say hi to your fans. Beautiful. Oh, Venezuela, Stephanie, and Dominican Republic. Which part? Miss Senegal. Hi, Stephanie. So beautiful. Beautiful. Hi, Nadia. Nice to see you again. From gym to here. I know. Yeah. And we're calling your husband later. And we're calling your husband later. Yeah. Miss Zimbabwe, say hi to your fans. Look at you, so beautiful. Stunning. This is from Miss Sociology. Beautiful. Okay. We have Miss Cambodia, Miss Sociology again. Look at you. So beautiful, really. Sheka, Miss Czech Republic. Good. You're in a good spot? Good spot? Yes. Yeah. Nandun sila USA lahat. Nandun, nakain. Wala pa si Matisa. Wait natin ang ating pangbato. All of these beautiful girls are here. Look. Look at their dresses. Look. Miss Senegal. Who's your roommate, Olivia? Oh, what are you doing when you're alone? Is living. Rest. I know I've been asking the girls different questions now. Yeah, Miss Sweden. What's your favorite Thai food?
Oh,
Pad
pad thai.
Thai.
I can eat it like every day for every meal.
And if you are a food, what food are you?
Well, I would be, I think, pasta with truffle.
Ooh, that's my favorite. Anything with truffle. Yeah.
Something with truffle.
special. Special. Like not ordinary. And expensive. And expensive. Yes. The most beautiful. Look at her. Look at the dress. So couture. Is this like your local designer from Senegal? Oh, it's really stunning. Enjoy your breakfast. My baby girl. Arriba, arriba, andale, andale. Enjoy, baby. Let's see, some of the girls are still arriving. Okay, Nicaragua is here. Your fans from Mississology are waiting for you too. Hi. And we also have U.S. Virgin Islands. Miss Japan is here. Look, Costa Rica. Gorgeous in pink. Miss Palestine is here. We are waiting for Atisa as well. So maybe she's coming down soon. Hi, Namibia! No, it's Zambia. Hi, Zambia. Hi. So beautiful in yellow. Hello. Japan. Look at Mrs. Slovakia. So stunning. So tall. How tall are you? Ooh, and look at her. Yeah. So beautiful. Hey, sorry. Nicaragua. My baby girl. I'm still eating there on my table. Enjoy. Look at these beautiful Barbies. Also beautiful, right? Your Mississology fans are like dying to see every one of you. I know. Miss Mayot. Yeah, Mayot. Jabita Paris. Ouais. Yeah, je connais Mayotte parce que c'est l'Afrique, non? Oui, parce que j'ai regardé Miss France et je connais Miss Mayotte. Oui, très belle. Oui, Miss France is not yet here, no? Yeah. We'll wait for her, for Eve. Thank you. But I'm happy because we have Guadeloupe, Mayotte, France, Martinique, the departments. Yeah. It's like you have your all sisters already. Nadia. Beautiful Miss Palestine. Look at her.
Hindi na ako makakain.
Oo, punta na tayo sa table natin.
Paano pag dumating si Atisa?
Malalaman natin kasi marami siyang team.
Pupunta rin dito yung team niya?
Parang dito. Maybe. They will have an
Ayaw mo
access.
dito kumain. Kakaano. Abot na lang natin.
Gusto mo ba? Okay, sige. Papalinis mo siya, then lilipat ako dito.
Sige, doon na tayo.
Yeah.
Pero ikaw, nagpo-cover ka din eh.
Yeah, but I should just eat a bit. I'm just doing live. Costa Rica! That beautiful face. And that walk. So beautiful. That beautiful face. Oh my God. Later I'll take your picture. It's okay? Beautiful. I'll finish the live again.